Hey folks, Fast Eddie here from Ren HD. Kind of a little hard for me to see. I'm right in the sun. Anyway, we got the Pan America in here. Out on the road. Actually out on the gravel road for the first time. So, like we said, I told you before, I think my plan is to take this home to the house so I can keep the miles off my truck. But anyway, here's an idea of the gravel road. It's all straight. It's, man, I don't know, probably about 3 miles. I went down to the hayfield, rode around, forgot my GoPro, so I'm just having to take, I don't have a phone mount yet for this, but anyway, here's an idea of what the road looks like. It's mostly hard packed. It's got some thicker spots of gravel on it, but anyway, first time out in the gravel. I had ridden around in the grass behind the shop, but this is really, you know, the reason, one of the reasons we put this bike in the fleet. And you know, we're not really looking to turn it into an enduro bike. It is fun to ride on the road. We're going to get some panniers for it so you can take some long trips. I got a lot of folks from CVMA that take long take long trips on their Pan Americas. Talked to a couple guys yesterday up at Outlaw Harley Davidson who ride Pan Americas, and they had told me about some of the road trips like out to Colorado Springs and things like that. So anyway, you guys probably aren't used to seeing me wear a helmet. I do wear a helmet every time I ride. So like we say, ride safe, ride often, ride far, and ride safe. So all right, if I see anything interesting on the road, I will stop and take some shots, but otherwise it's Fast Eddie here from Ren HD, doing a little bit of gravel road riding on the Pan America. So give us a call. Weather has been beautiful, so you guys give us a call and we'll get you out on the road. All right, thanks. Fast Eddie out here.